Stock Nifty, and where we take a look at what market is trying to tell us. And today is the Nifty expiry weekly. So let's take a closer look at Nifty. And Nifty is pretty much followed what our expected analysis from weekly. If you haven't seen the weekly analysis, please do take a look here. So as we can see, market is put in some dojis and some a couple of sell candles. So let's try and figure out what are our options today. Going to 15-minute chart. So if we see 15-minute chart, you can see that market is moving in a nice downtrend. That is making lower highs and lower lows. So we're not going to interfere with the market unnecessarily. So it's quite possible that market is going to turn bullish. Let's first classify the bullish. You can see that market has got so many resistance upwards. So, and each of these are very, very strong resistances. And what the market might do is, if it opens with a huge gap up, it could take support at this level and then and the whole day between in this 100-point range, or it could open gap up and reverse from 21,691 levels and 21,700 levels, and then spend a lot of time trading here in this range, right? Yesterday the market spent quite some considerable amount of time here. So if it does not sustain here, then we can see a free fall to 21,360 and 21,280. So these two levels are quite possible if there is a free fall. For the free fall, either it starts from the top and then falls with great velocity till around 10:30, 11:30, and from 11 to 12:30 or 1:30 it spends time here, and then on a breakdown of that, it could very well result in these two. But again, since the market has spent a lot of time here, if we get a gap down, then this is a very good area to short. And if the market spends too much time here, then we know that this is going to be a sideways day. It should just break this comfortably. That's the power of sellers that they need to show. Otherwise, it will be stuck in a range. So very high probability that we might get a small range bar today, an inside bar type, or maybe slightly something like a gravestone doji or inverted hammer. So I'm expecting one of those candles today. Very unlikely we'll get a huge range expansion, because the range has been quite high for last 2 days. So maybe today is going to be a sideways day. So I'm mentally preparing for a sideways day. So my strategy would involve shorting ATM calls and puts, and then wait for the market to figure out the next direction. For this week's expiry, and I wish you all a great day at the markets. Trade safe, trade with confirmation, double confirmation today. As it's going to be don't think it's going to be option buyer's day, so be careful. So that's it from me, and I will see you